Across the world's hottest deserts, billions of sweet Medjool dates grow on towering palms, feeding millions. These giant Medjool date palms can live for a century, producing huge clusters of premium fruit high above the desert ground. Every Medjool date harvest begins with young palm saplings carefully planted and nurtured in harsh desert conditions. Modern irrigation systems bring life to the desert, delivering water directly to millions of Medjool date palm roots. Workers climb towering Medjool palms to hand-pollinate flowers, helping produce larger and sweeter harvests. Under intense desert heat, hard green Medjool dates slowly ripen into soft, sweet, caramel-colored fruit. Harvest workers scale massive palm trees to cut down heavy clusters packed with ripe Medjool dates. Harvested dates are quickly transported to modern factories for inspection, cleaning, and chocolate production. Powerful washing systems carefully clean every date to ensure premium hygiene and food safety standards. Advanced sorting machines inspect thousands of Medjool dates, selecting only the finest for chocolate coating. Automated machines carefully remove the pits while preserving the date's soft and luxurious texture. Premium chocolate is melted and tempered to create a rich, silky, and perfectly glossy finish. Many Medjool dates are filled with roasted nuts and creamy fillings for extra flavor and texture. Each date passes through flowing curtains of chocolate, creating a smooth and luxurious outer shell. Inside cooling tunnels, the chocolate hardens into a glossy shell with the perfect texture and shine. Elegant toppings and decorative finishes transform these chocolate dates into gourmet luxury desserts. After inspection, the gourmet chocolate dates are carefully packaged and prepared for markets around the world. From desert farms to luxury stores worldwide, Medjool date chocolates deliver sweetness, craftsmanship, and tradition in every bite.
If you like this beautiful journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more agriculture journeys.